Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are going to talk about what are long sounds. We have three long sounds: crackles, wheeze, and ronkai. How to differentiate between the crackles and wheeze and ronkai. The crackles is high pitched sound heard during inspiration and not cleared by coughing or suctioning, and discontinuous sound. What is the meaning of discontinuous sound? Because it's heard during inspiration only. But the ronkai, actually this is continuous sound because can hear it during inspiration and expiration. Ronkai, rumbling coarse sound like snoring, may clear with coughing and suctioning, and continuous sound. So the difference between crackles and ronkai: the crackle discontinuous sound because can hear it during inspiration only, but the ronkai is continuous sound because can hear it in inspiration and expiration. Ronkai may cleared with suctioning or coughing. The crackles cannot cleared with coughing or suction. And ronkai, actually ronkai, rumbling coarse sound like snoring. Crackle, high pitched sound. Wheeze is musical noisy sound, can hear it during inspiration and expiration, usually louder during expiration, and continuous sound. Why continuous sound? Is you can hear it during inspiration and expiration and more louder with expiration and musical noisy sound. شكرا. سلام عليكم.